DirectFix.com presents
the iPhone 5S Screen Replacement Guide. Fix your broken iPhone 5 with parts and service from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
Begin by completely powering off your phone and removing your SIM card with a SIM card removal tool. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove 2 pentalobe screws from the bottom of your phone. Using a suction cup, begin to remove the screen. Once the screen has been loosened, use a case opener tool to remove it further. Be very careful at this point to not lift the screen too far and damage or tear the home button ribbon cable. If you do damage this cable, you will lose your Touch ID functionality, for which there is no repair solution at this time. Disconnect the home button ribbon. Remove these 4 screws in order to remove the metal shield covering the screen assembly connectors. Disconnect the forward-facing camera, LCD, and touch panel connectors from the motherboard. With the screen assembly removed, we can now disassemble it. Begin by removing 1 screw at the bottom of the metal backplate, releasing the home button ribbon cable. Now remove 2 more screws, allowing you to completely remove the home button. Similarly to the iPhone 5, the ear speaker is underneath a protective shield. Remove 2 screws to release it. You can now peel back and remove the forward-facing camera and proximity sensor ribbon. Finally, you can remove 5 more small screws in order to remove the backplate. We can now begin to assemble the replacement screen. Begin by placing the backplate onto your new screen and secure with 5 screws. Place your home button module. Please note that replacing the home button on the iPhone 5S will not repair or replace the Touch ID, as this is coded specifically to the original home button. There is currently no way to repair or replace the Touch ID in an iPhone 5S. This will hopefully change at some point in the future. Secure the home button with a metal plate and 2 screws. Secure the home button module to the bottom of the back plate. Now place the forward-facing camera into the screen assembly. Now place the ear speaker over the forward-facing camera and secure with a metal plate and 2 screws. Now connect the LCD touch panel and forward-facing camera to the motherboard. Secure the screen assembly connectors with a metal plate and 4 screws. Connect the home button. Secure the screen in the frame. And finally, place 2 pentalobe screws in the 2 holes at the bottom of your device. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to directfix.com now.